Hi everyone, I'm Ben. Today we're going to look at our Axminster craft scroll saw. So this is the AC456 scroll saw. The 456 is referring to this distance here from the back of the throat to where the blade lies, which allows you some really big projects on this machine. Nice sturdy cast iron table and also a cast iron base. That's going to help to reduce a lot of the vibration, gives the machine a real sturdy feel when in use. Another great feature about this machine is that this assembly here is all integrated. So we have our blower here which clears the waste, the dust that gathers on top of the projects, giving you good visibility at the cut line. This hold down clamp which then supports the workpiece down onto the table, and all this guarding all is integrated so it all moves as one piece. Nice and easy to adjust. You've got one knob here and then a couple of little adjustments should you need to move things around. A little flexible LED light on the back here, giving you great visibility on the cut line. So swapping from a pinned to a pinless blade couldn't be easier. Release some of the tension on the blade. We just need to bring this lever down, which releases the tension off of the blade, allowing that one to just come out. The pinless blade, which you can see is a lot finer on this one. The block just falls into that same slot that the pinned blade came out of. So we just line that up underneath and that one just pops in the top there. So 50mm max depth of cut, allowing us larger projects on this scroll saw. The table tilt is just under here. We've got a nice easy knob there just to loosen off the table. That allows the whole table to tilt over to 45 degrees. We can lock that one back off and we've still got that same sturdiness in that cast iron table. So let's bring the machine around. We'll have a look at the controls. On the front of the machine here we have our control panel, so the on and off switch, and this dial here which controls the variable speed motor. The extraction port here, 35mm extraction port, located right underneath where the cut is, so really good extraction, reducing the amount of airborne dust. My favourite feature on this scroll saw is that we can remove this little cap here, which reveals a little spindle, and we can attach a rotary tool, which is going to be really helpful for a lot of scroll saw projects. So this little rotary tool, which just attaches to the side of the scroll saw here, is really useful. Comes with this 64-piece accessory kit. We get all sorts of polishing mops, sanding drums, there's carving heads and burrs in this set. They're really going to help us elevate our projects and give shape to things on your things like puzzles, allowing us to sand and clean up the outside of those workpieces. So 3.2mm collet on this little rotary tool. We get a locking pin supplied with it. Our attachments just go straight in the end there, and a spanner also supplied to just lock that one off. So a sanding drum on this rotary hand tool. I'm just going to show you how that works in conjunction with a piece I've just cut on the scroll saw. And it's going to allow us just to round some edges over and tidy up the workpiece. Okay, so when using this sanding head, we're going to generate a little bit of dust. Quite hard to extract from a tool like this, so minimum amount of PPE would be your dust mask and goggles. Straight off the scroll saw, we can see we've got a nice clean cut. But I'm going to go around and just tidy things up a little bit, and I'm also going to just put a little round over on the side of this piece here that we've cut on the scroll saw. So this piece has been cut on the scroll saw. It's been just rounded over with that little rotary tool with a sanding drum attachment. That's going to go into our little project piece here. And you can see how that round over really gives a kind of 3D quality to the workpiece. So there we have it, the AC456. Really great addition to our craft range, especially with that rotary tool that just fits on the side. Really going to help you elevate your projects that one step further by rounding things off and giving your scroll saw projects an extra dimension. So check it out online or in store. Our staff will go through all the features of this machine for you. They're really helpful. Thank you for watching.